Have you ever find yourself in the situation of working on multiple Node.js projects and each requiring a different Node.js version, like one project might need version 22 while another demands an very older version like version 16. Managing this manually is nightmare. You have to install different versions in separate directories, modify your environment path variable repeatedly, or you can use Docker to isolate environments. But what if I told you there is a simple tool that makes all this hassle disappear? A tool that lets you manage multiple Node.js version with just one simple command. Meet NVM, Node Version Manager. In this video, I will show you how NVM can make your life as a Node.js developer so much easier when you have to work on multiple projects. Let's dive into this. Open your browser and go to Google and search for NVM Windows download. Yep, we are lucky enough that we get it as a first result in the search. It is a GitHub repository and source code of this tool is available here, but we are not interested in the source code. Scroll down and click on this download now button. It will open a release page. Scroll down a bit and you will see the various kinds of installation setup here. Click on the file named nvm setup.exe. Once it is downloaded, run this setup. Just follow the installation wizard. Keeping all default settings, click next, 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 and then install. Finally, click finish and NVM is ready to use. That's it for the installation. Let's now see how to use NVM to install and switch between different Node.js versions next. Let's jump into the command line. We can use NVM list to get a list of installed Node.js versions. As Node.js is not currently installed on this machine, we are getting this message, no installation recognized. Let's install our first Node.js version. We can install any available version like this, nvm install, and the Node.js version that you would like to install. If you would like to install the latest available version, you can just type the latest here instead of specifically typing the version number. Current latest version when I am making this video is 23.6.0. So it is downloading this version. Yup, it is installed. And it is also suggesting this command that if you would like to use this version as current version, you can use nvm use and version number. But before that, let's check if without using this command and check which Node.js version is installed on this system. Yes, this is what I was expecting as well. So let's try this command and use nvm use 23.6.0. Check if now you are getting the current node version. If we use the node hyphen version, yes. So now the current version on this system is 23.6. And if we use nvm list, it is showing one version is in the list. Now suppose one day you got a project that is developed on the Node.js 16 version and our company does not want to upgrade it and just wanted to fix a minor bug in that project. In that case, we can just install Node.js 16 version with this simple command. And once it is installed, we can verify if it is available in the list. Yes, it is there. And to use this Node.js version, we can simply type nvm use 16. And if we check the current node version, we will get version 16.20.2 to be used as the current Node.js version. Wow, how simple NVM has made my life as a Node.js developer. It is quick, easy, and so efficient. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button. And if there is a topic you would like me to cover, drop it in the comment below. I would love to create a video on it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.